Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add the fingerprint onto your NUBIA Neo 3. Now let's begin. First, you want to head into your settings. Then you want to scroll down a little and enter security and privacy. Here, you want to scroll one more time and go into device unlock. Now, make sure that you have some sort of screen lock set up, because if you have no screen lock at all, you will be tasked to set up this before going into fingerprint and face unlock. And as you can see, we need our current lock screen password in order to even get into the fingerprint settings. Now, we want to go into fingerprint. We have a big amount of text, which basically says that, like, I don't know, you need to be 14 years old at least to use this, or something like that, and they are not selling this anywhere. We can go into OK, and now we can go into register. We want to place our finger into the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here at top of the power button. And because usually you hold your phone like this, you probably want to register your thumb, but because I'm the tutorial guy, I'm just going to put my middle finger here, or this finger. It doesn't really matter which one. I'm just going to do this, and now we can go into start and roll. So we can start pressing it. And it's very important to note that you want to, every single time you press your finger here, you want to press at slightly different angle. This is the most important thing. As you can see, we have a warning that we want to change our areas on our finger. So we can go, for example, from the back here, or from the top. And I will actually pick up the phone because now it's easier. And now we want to go with edges, as you can see here. So I will go into edges. And we are almost done. And we have, congratulations, your fingerprint has been registered. And now, if we would leave, maybe not, thank you. If we leave and lock a screen, we can see that now, every time we want to lock our screen, as you can see it is currently locked, we can just use our fingerprint. And now, we will be transported into home screen automatically. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.